How to make Instagram professional account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram professional account. So here we go. Just go to Instagram, and then after going to Instagram, what you need to do is that you just need to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. After clicking here, this type of interface will be pop up. So this is my personal account. Okay, so to make this as a professional account, what you need to do, I'm going to show you. You just need to click on edit profile. Here you can see edit profile. Simply click on edit profile and then scroll down. Okay, after scrolling down here, you'll get one option that is switch to professional account. Simply click on it, and then it will redirect you to this page. Now here you have to click on next, and then here you have to select uh, your ambition. Like if you're an artist, you can select artist. If you're a magician, blogger, clothing brand, community, digital creator, whatever you want, you can just go for it. I will go for digital creator. And then here you can see display and profile option. Just you need to enable this and then click on switch to professional account. Just click on it, and then just hold on for a few seconds. It will take a moment. Here you can see you can just select creator or business, it's up to you. So I will go for creator. Click on next option, and then here you just need to click on note now, and then you can see step up, everything has been done. So now just skip it, and then here you can see it is showing digital creator. So this account is now professional account. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.